the day. It's been about 11 hours. Unfortunately, I was hoping to have this all finished today, but still, as you can see, still got a little bit to do. So I'm going to be back in tomorrow. Hello, it's New Year's Eve 2017. It's 5 o'clock and I have almost finished painting this unit front for the fish and chip shop. I've still got a little bit of rope details work to add in, but what I will do now is come back next Sunday to finish that off because I'm hoping to go out and celebrate the start of 2018, so I don't want to be here all night. I'm really happy with how this turned out. It's been an emotional roller coaster. Right, I'm about to paint the final bit of this mural. That's it. Last bit done. I'm gonna get this tape off and then, yeah, that'll be it. Ladies and gentlemen, we're done. Good morning. We've kind of stumbled straight into 2018 and realised that I've actually got quite a lot of stuff to be getting on with sort of pretty much immediately, and I've not really had a chance to look at my calendar or schedule properly yet, which is a bit of a bummer because one of the main things I wanted to work on was my time management and scheduling, so everything's not a last minute panic. On a happy and exciting note, I had a call the other day from a man who runs a cafe, bar, event and co-working space in Cheltenham called The Find. That was a really nice surprise because I'd kind of secretly been stalking them on Instagram because they were quite new and I'd seen them sort of advertise a little bit, and I thought they look quite cool. I wouldn't mind working, maybe working with them at some point, and my stalking on Instagram worked because they come across my stuff as well. They thought the same, they quite like what I do and were interested in working with me, so that was a nice alignment of the stars for the start of the year, and I'm going to go over shortly to see them, but I've got my fingers crossed. I'm quite excited about this one because it'll be quite a big project, hopefully. I was talking to this guy on the phone, it sounds like they've got a lot they want to do. There's potential for ongoing work, and Cheltenham's quite a big town, there's quite a lot happening, so it also gets my work out further afield, and I have been meaning to go there one day just to do a bit of a recce around the town and approach venues, so actually having an opportunity to maybe get some work there anyway would be quite good, and because the space as well is there is a co-working space tied in with the venue. Hopefully it means that sort of local businesses, entrepreneurs and people that run things like cafes and bars and sort of arts and creative spaces, that's the kind of place they go and hang out, and they're exactly the type of people that I want to be collaborating and working with, so getting my work in front of their eyeballs would be good. So got my fingers crossed that goes well, and I've now got to find out where to drive to and where to park, because it wouldn't be a great start if I was ended up late because I got lost in the town centre. Doing some prep for a special vlog episode of episode 30 things I've learnt the hard way starting a creative business. I was really worried that I wasn't going to have like enough things to write about, not necessarily because I've not learnt anything, but because I wasn't really sure what clear points would be, and probably shouldn't have worried. That's kind of just a few ideas here. I'll get those condensed down into something that's a bit more palatable, a little bit more easy to digest. You might remember last year I did some chalkboards for the new brewery art centre in Cirencester. At the time we also came to an agreement that I would update their boards quarterly for them, advertising new exhibitions and events and what's going on. And it's come to that time of year where their boards need updating, so that's what I'm going to be working on now. I'm just looking at the email that I received from them with the list of events and details that they want promoting. I'm going to start by just sort of loosely sketching out some potential ideas, doing a bit of research for a possible visual theme, and kind of just play around with the potential theme to link all the boards together. New year, new coffee cup.
Death before decaf.